Hello everyone, I'm Christopher, and in this video we are going to take a look at how to add a functionality to our to-dos application that allows us to clear completed to-do items. So let's add a few to-do items to our application. So we're going to have to do 1, we also have to do 2, and then let's also have to do 3. Now let's complete to-do item 2. And so we want to add a functionality, as I said before, so that anytime this clear completed link is clicked on, every to-do item that is completed will be removed from the to-dos array. So let's head over to our code editor and see if we can make this happen. We are going to add an event listener to our clear completed link, and we are going to do this using a Vue directive called Vue.on, which we have seen from the previous videos. So Vue-on click, and the function we are going to be calling is clear completed to-dos. So let's save this, and we have not created this function yet. So let's copy the name, copy, and let's go to our app.js file, and we are going to add a function here called clear completed to-dos. Now the first line of code we are going to have, I'll just copy it from this particular place, and I'll tell you what this does. So let's paste it down here, save, and I am just going to type this piece of code. Then after that I'll explain to you what it does. So I'm going to say this dot to-dos equal to this dot to-dos dot filter, and we are going to pass in a function. So we are going to have a function which is going to be an anonymous function, and this function is going to take an argument we'll call item. Now we'll just simply return item dot to do completion state dot includes, and we're going to pass the string incomplete. So let's end this with a semicolon, save all this, and let's go down here, and we're going to say local storage dot set item into bracket storage key, and we're going to say JSON dot stringify in bracket this dot to-dos. So let's end this also with a semicolon, save all this work, and let me quickly go through this piece of code. So what the first line of code does is to go into local storage and then fetch the latest copy of our to-do items and then reassign it to the to-dos variable. Then this second piece of code simply picks this to-dos data variable and then only returns the to-do items that are incomplete. Then after it has filtered the to-do items that are incomplete, it will reassign all those to-do items back to our to-dos variable. Then the last piece of code over here simply picks this data variable which contains only the to-do items that are incomplete and stores that into local storage again, so that even when we reload our browser, everything works well. So let's save this, and let's go to our index.html. We have our event listener added to the link. So now we can go to our application, reload it, and we are going to click on this clear completed link, and we can see to do 2 has been taken out. Now let's complete to do item 3. Now let's click on clear completed, and we can see that that particular item is also gone. So basically that's going to be all for this video, and if you like these kinds of videos, I urge you to click on the subscribe button because it will help me to create more of these kinds of videos. And if you have any questions concerning this particular video, leave them in the comment section below. Or better still, if you think I left out something from this video, you can also let me know in the comment section below. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.